Hello everyone, this is Chioma. Welcome to my channel and the review video of ProfitNUCLEUS. ProfitNUCLEUS is a product that was put together by William Witherley, and then he shows you how you can create conversion machine that converts over 80% and also help you to multiply your traffic on demand. Yes, this is what William is saying about this product today. So guys, if this sounds like something you like, stick with me as I'll go into details whilst also giving you a full demo of how this product works. But do not forget to click on the bell icon down below for notification, leave a comment, and click the like, share, subscribe button. And as usual, guys, I've also added some of my awesome bonuses right here, guys. These are the bonuses that I've added. So all you need to do to have access to all these awesome bonuses today is to click also on the link that is in the description box below. So without further ado, guys, let me quickly take you to the sales page. Let's see what William is saying about this product today. So it says, discover how the super simple setup of an online command center can transform your online business. ProfitNUCLEUS reveals how you can create a conversion machine that can get you insane conversions of up to 80+%, and which can then multiply your traffic virtually on demand. So these are the features of this product. So of course, it said it's 100% newbie friendly, surefire method, do it once and get paid over and over, and then working flawlessly in 2021, 100% proven business model, free traffic on demand, a system based on actual case study. All right. And of course, you also have a 30-day money-back guarantee. So what he's promising in essence here is that if you purchase this product and then within 30 days, you are not getting what he has promised that you will get, that you can be refunded. Yes, this is what he is saying. So guys, let me quickly take you to the bonuses that he has added. So the first one that he added is called the profit code. So you get their his proven fast cash generating methods that work like clockwork to generate quick money. And then the second bonus is the executors. So it says that you are going to get proven cash generating methods that work. Okay, basically all the bonuses that he has added is will show you how you can generate cash online, so but different in different ways. So the first one is called the profit code, the second one is the executors, that's the third one is explosive, and then the fourth one is the CPU project. And then guys, speaking of bonuses, let me quickly take you to mine as well. So the first one that I've added here is the 10K email manifesto. And then the second one that I've added is also a tutorial, a hack that teaches you how you can build a buyer's list. And remember guys, like they say, that money is in the list. So you need all these bonuses that I'm offering today. You need to learn how you can build your list to be able to make money online. And then the third one that I've added today is Juno's 3 favorite traffic sources. So with the traffic sources also, you will be able to earn more money online. And then the Fuego multiplier, which teaches you how you can siphon traffic from other sites without even having an email list. So this is really good bonuses, guys, that I'm adding today. So you don't need to have an email list. If you purchase this product, you don't need an email list, because I've shown you how you can siphon traffic from other sites without an email list. And with this, with the third bonus that I've added, which is Juno's 3 favorite traffic sources, you also be able to know the sources, the traffic sources that will bring in the money. And guys, and then the fifth bonus that I've added is you get to have access to all vendor bonuses. Yeah, basically that's just what it is. Now I have shown you the bonuses. Let me quickly take you guys to the prices and the upsells. So about the front end, it is $997. Yes guys, with just less than $10 you have access to all these bonuses, guys, you have access to 9 insane bonuses, 5 of mine and 4 of Williams. And then the first upsell is the Traffic Pro, which is $27. The second upsell is the Done For You package. So pretty much the Done For You delivers a full suite of Done For You materials. So we get to upgrade. Says takers of this upgrade will get templates and email swipes. And then the third upsell, which is the license right, enables users to get automatic approval to sell PROFITNUCLEUS. So pretty much you are selling it without even putting together this app yourself. And then the fourth upsell, which is the coaching. So basically it says you will receive 1 hour Skype or Zoom coaching strategy session with the creator of this product. And here, like I already mentioned, these are some of the benefits, features of this product, like I mentioned on from the sales page. So guys, that's just it. But as a reminder, if you're purchasing through my link, guys, and you sign in through Warrior Plus, to access all these bonuses that I've mentioned, click on the blue button where it says access affiliate bonus. That is on Warrior Plus, and then my bonuses shall be added. If it is through JV Zoo, where the red arrow is pointed at, guys, click on that box right there, and then my bonuses shall automatically be added. Okay, now I have shown you the sales page. I have shown you guys the bonuses, and then I have also shown you guys the prices and then the upsells. So let me quickly take you guys to the what is it called, to the members area. So this is the members area right here. So once you log in, guys, from here you can log in and out, right? And this is the dashboard. Just in a minute, I don't even know what is wrong with this my internet. So if you log in, guys, let me continue. This is what you get. So let's take a listen to, this is actually the welcome intro by William. Let's take a listen to what he has to say.
Hey, it's Will Weatherly here, and welcome to PROFITNUCLEUS. So what I want to do now is just show you around the members area and give you an idea about how to proceed once you're inside here. So you're here on this welcome and members area orientation video. And so once you're inside, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and set up your own hub. I'm going to walk you through how to set up your own PROFITNUCLEUS, and this is about a 20-minute setup. And just follow this step by step. And this is going to get you going in starting up your PROFITNUCLEUS, your hub, your online hub, so that you can start to generate an income for yourself if you're brand new. Now, if you already have a hub set up, and this doesn't need to be a blog, it's preferably a blog because that's an asset that you own. But if it's your YouTube channel and you already have a place where you're sending traffic, it could be a bonus page. You can skip this area here and proceed to the main training here or to the case studies. Generally, what I like to do in courses is take a look at the case studies to see the proof of the method. Now, I've got 4 case studies that are relevant to what you're going to be learning in this course. Creating bonuses and setting up the niche that you want to be in. And this is particularly important if you're in the internet marketing, make money online niche. But for whatever niche that you're in, you're going to want to go ahead and create bonuses. And then you've got your YouTube and blog combination, and then blasting to your nucleus. These are some email strategies here, and then my social media traffic strategy, which involves Quora. Okay, so then I've got hub exit strategies here, and then resources down here, bonuses and upgrades. And if you want to reach out to support, the support is up here, and then reach the dashboard over here and log out over here. So that's the members area. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to support, and we'll be happy to help you and answer any questions that you may have.
Okay, guys. Now, that is William giving an intro of this members area. So basically, I said everything that I wanted to show you guys from the top end here. You, if you have questions, like I said earlier, this is the support that you can click on, send your query, your questions to, and then they will respond. So on the left hand side, guys, you have access to this is the brief overview of NUCLEUS, profit nucleus. Let's take a lesson. Let's see. Right.
Hey, it's Will Weatherly here, and welcome to Profit Nucleus. So what I want to do here is give an overview of the Profit Nucleus model so you get an idea about what you're going to be learning in this course. Okay, so first, we're going to be sending email traffic to our hub, our online nucleus, whereby we're going to get high conversions from email, SEO traffic, and then social media traffic. And we're going to be sending this traffic both directly to our hub as well as to a review video. And then we're also going to be creating YouTube videos that are going to be going to our hub as well. So all roads lead to the hub. We're going to have this email traffic, we're going to have this SEO traffic, and we're going to have this social media traffic as well as this YouTube traffic right here that is going to go directly to our hub. Now, what this is going to lead to are profits, and I'm going to show you case studies of how this has worked for me and how I've used this model to generate very high conversions with this online nucleus, which creates profit. Therefore, we have Profit Nucleus. Okay, so I look forward to seeing you in the training.
All right, guys. So basically, this is just these are the tutorials, the trainings that William has put together. For anyone you click on, he will teach you what to do. So guys, that's all I have to offer to you guys today. Don't forget, if this sounds like something you like, do not forget to grab through my link that is on the description box below. And through my link, you have access to 9 insane bonuses, guys. Yes. So with less than $10, I don't think the offer is that bad, considering the fact that you have access to my bonuses and then the 4 that he has also added. So, and again, guys, if you also know somebody that this product will be of help to, guys, do not forget to share and leave a comment and subscribe to my channel. For those that have already subscribed, I thank you guys, and thank you also for watching, for sticking with me. And guys, I shall see you in my next video. You stay safe.